Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting page. So tonight we have a cute craft that we're going to make with these white Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. So you don't need the stand, and then you're going to take this white piece off the bottom. It just pops right off. You're just going to start by taking two of them and putting them together like this. And you're just going to take some wire or whatever you want to use. And I'm wiring them together. That's it. So just get it to where, you know, they're pretty stable. You know, they're not falling apart. And then cut your wire. And then I've got just some plain white pipe cleaners or chenille stems, whatever they're calling them these days. And these came from Dollar Tree also. And I'm just going to wrap the center of this with it. I have 3 of the bundles like this, where I've got 2 of them bundled together. You're just going to lay them down, you know, one like that, and one like that, you know, kind of crossed over each other. Just get them all together and just wrap your wire. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the pipe cleaners, some more of the pipe cleaners. Okay, so when you get it done, it should look like this. And then just spread your branches out. Not too far. That's what it looks like. I got this snowflake ornament at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to just stick it in the center. And I'm just putting a wad of hot glue on the center of this, y'all. And I'm going to stick this ornament to it. Look at how cute that is, y'all.